Hi, I'm Liz and I'm a program coordinator with the Louisville Free Public Library. Today I want to show you how to make an easy fall craft that you can do with supplies that you have around your house. I am doing this craft as part of the Craft and Chat series that we do at the library. If you're ever interested in signing up for those, check out our website or Facebook page. The project we're making today is an autumn leaf bowl. This is an idea we had for our Craft and Chat series for November, and today we'll show you how to make this project. The supplies you'll need for your autumn leaf bowl are the following: some plastic wrap, scissors, a single sheet of tissue paper, a small bowl to make your shape, some leaves, which you can get outdoors or from the craft store like we did, a foam brush or other paintbrush to use with your liquid glue. The first step for making your autumn leaf bowl is to wrap your bowl that you're using to make the shape with protective plastic wrap. So I have a small bowl here. You'll really only want to use a small bowl. I'm going to flip mine over. You could do it this way, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to flip mine over. I've already cut my plastic wrap. I'm going to wrap my bowl. Now that my bowl is wrapped, I put some additional plastic wrap on the table to protect from the glue that I'm going to use with the leaves. The next step is to take your glue and your foam brush, or whatever type of brush you're using, and some of your leaves, and just start dabbing a little bit of glue on your bowl. Once you've got the bottom coated a bit with the glue, then you'll add your first leaf. Kind of press it on there. You can use the brush for this as well, to just dab it on there. And then you're going to build from there. And I like to use the different colors and spread them around the bowl. You'll probably need about 11 leaves, depending on the size, for your first coat here. As you're building, you will want your leaves to overlap just a little bit and touch so that they create the wall of your bowl. And I'm just using my fingers to lightly press the leaf, and then you can come back in with your brush and just dab that glue on and bend that leaf to the shape that you want. Once you've done the bottom of your bowl, you can start to work your way up the sides. And I like to have the leaves pointing up around the sides of the bowl. So you just place the leaf and dab on the glue to form it to the shape of the bowl. Once you're pretty satisfied with the amount of leaves you've got on your first layer, again, I used about 11 on this first layer, you're going to add the tissue paper to sort of stabilize. I've cut my tissue paper out into a circle shape, wider than what my bowl is going to be, and I'm just going to attach that with glue to that first layer of leaves. To attach the tissue paper, I just pushed it down on the top of the bowl, and I'm going to add a little bit of glue and go down the sides. And I'm just pressing the sides of the paper to my bowl. To pick up your bowl, and then you can really press that brush down the sides and get that tissue paper stuck to the leaves. Once you have that tissue paper in the middle layer, then you're going to add more leaves to your bowl. So start with the bottom just like you did before, and then you'll work on the sides. So let's pretend that I totally finished my second layer of leaves on this bowl and I let it dry overnight. The next step and final step to creating your bowl is to peel it off of your shaping bowl and then cut the edges out. I'll show you what I mean. So once it's all dry, I've got to peel the bowl off of the shaping bowl. And you just need to gently unwrap it maybe first. And then you can peel off the plastic wrap. And just kind of make sure you're not ripping the leaves when you do that. But you have your bowl. And because I didn't fully finish my second layer, it's not as pretty. But I wanted to show you, once that is dry, that you just cut along the edges of the leaves. And that's how you make your bowl. And this is your completed project. Once you've trimmed off all of the tissue paper around the edges of your bowl, you have this great little paper bowl that you can put stuff in for fall.